Good morning, it's James from Pipe Doctor Home Services. It's Wednesday morning and I am on my way to a service call in Greenvale. Slightly upset this morning. Not upset, I'm almost always in a good mood. I'm disappointed that the video that you're going to be seeing was supposed to be of a reverse osmosis filtration system install made by the company SimPure. But the footage on my GoPro got corrupted last night when I was trying to download it. And I was able to fix the issue of the corrupted footage, but I couldn't recover the actual files themselves. Like, going forward, that shouldn't be a problem again, but go figure. It's annoying because I use that GoPro. Anytime you see me working with both hands, that means I'm recording with the GoPro. If not, I'm usually using my phone. So I have videos of before and after. I do have some pictures that I'm going to show you of the filtration system. It's a really nice system. It's made by SimPure. We use their filter, their RO system in our office. I fill their my water jugs. I fill them up every day. And the water just has such a good taste to it. This isn't the same exact one that's in our office that I installed yesterday, but it is still a very good RO system. And you'll see, I tested the water with their previous filtration system with my TDS meter, which is a total dissolved solids, which is like a reading that we use for testing how efficient and good a filter is. So you'll see the before versus the after, and even the after was only, I went back to the house because it was so close to the shop. I went back a couple hours later and took that reading. So you can imagine what today must be like. It's probably even lower. So check out the video. I'm sorry it's a short one. Like I said, going forward, I shouldn't have these types of issues. But let me know what you guys think, and I'll get better videos put out coming up in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you. Take like 10 years. Let's see. It's filtered. Huh. So what you just saw was the TDS results of this AquaPure 2-stage filtration system. We're down here in the basement. This is the water feed for it. It goes through the filter and then it goes through a chiller that goes up to that faucet. One, you could see that the pressure was terrible. Two, you could see that the TDS readings were 100. Makes no sense for a filter that was just replaced September 11th, 25. So 5 months ago, 6 months ago. So we're gonna be installing the SimPure filtration system. This is similar to the one that we have at the office. I took a reading this morning, and we did have the reading that I took this morning at our filter in the office was 5 TDS. If that gives you any type of comparison. At the office, from our regular taps, we have about 75 TDS. So at our regular taps at the office is 75. This filtered faucet at this client's home is 99. So that gives you any indication to how poorly that filter is performing. This is the system we're going to be putting in. We're not going to be putting the faucet in. We're just going to be doing the whole filter down here so that it's serviceable and not underneath the sink. And we'll get this thing ready. All right, now we got to run this steady stream of water. Much better than what we were at before. Take our TDS and let's see. Not bad. Not too bad compared to where we were before. And this thing is still pressurizing and flushing the membrane, so wouldn't be surprised if that goes down even lower. Yeah, so as you could see, the TDS readings on the new filtration system were 24 compared to 99 beforehand. I even, at the end of the day, I was at the shop with Mike. We did a TDS on the on the full-blown RO system that we have at our office, and the reading was 4. So that tells you how good these systems work. So I actually have a link down below in the description for SimPure filtration systems if it's something that you're interested in. I'm actually considering putting one in my kitchen because I know my wife would love it. So again, apologize that it's a short one, but you know, like I said, it is what it is. Technology isn't always perfect. Hit me up at my email, plumguyny@gmail.com. That's PLUMBGUYNY.com for a free sticker. I've been mailing them all over the country. This morning I mailed one to Chattanooga, Tennessee, and the other one to a town located in New Jersey. So hit me up at my email. Consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoy my content and you want to watch some more. I do have some playlists of the different months of recordings, so check them out. And thanks for watching today, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.